In the midst of a staggering surge of COVID cases in Florida, 75,000 in just over a week, Miami Mayor Francisco Suarez hands out masks.
There's some indications that the mask in public rule is actually working. The slope of new cases has actually decreased.
If there's progress, it's not reflected in Miami-Dade's hospital system, which now shows ICU bed capacity at 97%, with testing lines also starting to break at the seams, sending families to the ER for COVID tests.
I had at least 12 families come in saying, I went to the testing site, but the line was too long.
In Texas, it's not clear the governor knows where to go next after the Lone Star State topped 10,000 cases again. The threat of a lockdown back on the table if residents can't follow a mask mandate.
I made this tough decision for one reason. It was our last best effort to slow the spread of COVID-19. If we do not slow the spread of COVID-19, the next step would have to be a lockdown.
Urgency across the country this morning with a daily record of 70,000 cases, hardly the only red flag. Arizona, South Carolina, and Texas have all seen their death tolls jump by more than 100% in 4 weeks. In California, half the state's counties are now on a coronavirus watch list.
The United States is in the middle right now, even as we speak, in a very serious problem.
The first COVID peak shut one of America's playgrounds, Disney World. Now, 4 months later, the magical mainstay is trying to make a comeback with temperature checks, social distancing, and enhanced cleaning.
We've got many new health and safety measures that are in place in coordination with government and local authorities, and we've got an incredible group of cast to help our guests navigate them as they experience Disney Springs.
Lots of PPE.
For Cheryl Evans and her family, they're bringing their own thermometers and precautions all the way from California, but not pausing a cherished trip.
We've decided to continue living our lives, and that we believe that we can do this safely.
Here at Disney World, it is a phased reopening with the Magic and Animal Kingdoms opening up at 9 o'clock Eastern this morning. There are also, Peter and Kristen, a half dozen NBA teams nearby on ESPN's Wide World of Sports campus. That includes LeBron and the Lakers expected later today, as the NBA is scheduled to start its restart a little bit later this month, as all of the players are going to be tested on a daily basis.